good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. You guys remember this outfit? You guys remember this outfit? Yes. This is my paint outfit. Oh, what do you say? Hey, what you doing?
I'm playing with my toys.
You're playing with your toys? Alright, take that to your room because you won't be able to come back in here for a while. Mama is going to paint, okay? Go and play with your toys. Go on. Go, go, go. Say morning, honey.
Morning, guys. Another day, another way, another walk. Yeah, that's the last weekend before. The last weekend, hopefully. I mean,
hopefully it's the last
painting. Should be the last painting.
Oh, the last painting for a long while.
Hopefully.
Yeah, the only part we have to paint is the kitchen and the wall beside the kitchen and this wall in the living room that we didn't paint. So that's going to be the mission for today. But first I'm going to do the kitchen and then do everything around it. So today is paint day. We're getting the kitchen ready for the new kitchen to drop in the week. So we are getting everything right. If you guys don't watch yesterday's vlog, let me just re-show you. Tyler, go to your room, please. You want to see Faves? See them there?
I'm going to paint the kitchen.
You are going to paint the kitchen? No, you're going to your room.
Mommy going to paint the kitchen.
Yeah. What happened?
When I'm looking at here, I see you here.
Because the reflection?
Yeah, it's double reflection.
This is what the kitchen look like at the moment. Nothing is there. It's just a little tiny space. As Babe says, the space looks so tiny, but when the kitchen goes in, it looks big. However, our kitchen will full out all of this, come all the way around, come all the way down to the couch, and then out here. But you guys will see when it gets here and when it install what it's going to look like. But right now, first thing on our agenda this morning is to paint this roof and paint this kitchen. And you know your girl got it down. So baby's going to assist me while I get that done. So it's a long day today, so we are starting early. It's after 10 and we just had to rest a little extra this morning from all the work we did yesterday because we know it's going to be a long work day today again. So let's get it done. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying productive and getting stuff done around your house or whatever it is that you set out to accomplish today. I hope you'll accomplish every single thing. But I won't stick around chit-chatting with you guys much because your girl have a lot to do around here. So let's get right to it, shawty. You guys, it's such a rainy day outside. I don't think you guys can see how much it's raining from here. But look how chaotic out on the front veranda looks with all these things that we took out yesterday. But it's raining. Well, I don't really care that it's raining today because we'll be in all day. So show your blessing, Almighty. guys, the work is real around here. Look at me. I am so tired. I actually just woke up from a nap. I was so tired after painting this morning. I couldn't finish the space that I was, so I took a little break to have lunch, and after lunch I was just so woozy. I had to take a nap, so I went and take a nap. Look at the paint in my eyelash. I went and take a nap, and Tyler took a nap. Babe tried, but it didn't work. Yeah, I'm just here about to resume what I was doing. I'm just going to go back to painting the kitchen because I need to finish it up like right now. So let's get back to work. You guys, while I am painting, Babe's holding down the ironing. Hi honey.
Hi guys. They're doing the...
We're switching roles?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Well, I have to try to do some things to help you while you're doing that. I can't let you do it. So that's what I find to do. There's a lot of clothes. So
You better iron them clothes, shorty. Cause I'm still painting and I still have a long way to go. So we're teaming up. Looking at you, they'll talk to the things.
Hey, the book.
qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je fais des peintures avec maman.
You guys, we're on the last. We're almost there. Almost there. The kitchen is done. The front wall is done. And we only have here to go. We're on the last, right, guys?
Why?
We're almost there.
What?
Careful! No, come back this way. We're almost there. My partner is crying and with me while they're holding down the ironing. Yes, time.
Some of yours.
So we're almost done. Getting hungry, but I want to finish this first before I pass for dinner. You guys, it's a good thing that I cook a lot of food and have in the fridge, because honestly, if I didn't, I'd be a miserable wreck.
We'll have to go KFC.
Every day.
So we will have to go in the week for sure to a place or pizza or anywhere, but when we're tired like this, we can just...
Go, Ty, go, you go. Go now. Boy, Tyler painting. He painting, y'all.
He like to paint.
Oh yeah, he loves to help in.
I never really liked to paint when I was young. I used to hate that. When I painting at school, I used to get F.
Are you serious?
If I don't, I used not even to do the things and just...
Yes.
You paint at school?
Yes.
And you did a good job?
Yes.
Bravo. Alright, doing the small part now. Right. Good job, baby. Listen, my boy going to be genius at everything that he does. You watch and see. He love help me. He'll just come to me and say, Mama, I want to help you. If I'm folding clothes, he want to help. If I'm cooking, he want to help. If I'm pooping, Tyler want to help me poop.
Does it work?
If it works,
Yeah.
not quite, but
Mama.
this time,
Oh, some of yours.
yes. And then
I still need to go in this little
you don't like to go in little holes?
Not my ass.
Not your ass, what?
Not my ass that going in little hole.
You guys, look, I'm still in paint and it's after 11
PM.
I'm going to get my butt up, go take a shower
Big butt up.
and go right in bed and cuddle with my husband. I'm sure by the time I get out of the bathroom, he'll be sleeping.
Oh, I fall asleep in 1 second.
1 minute, man.
Oh,
That doesn't sound too right, but he's a 1 second man when it comes to sleep.
Of today. You want to have the Jamaican expression or the French expression?
Go ahead with the French expression.
I have one. Avoir un cœur d'artichaut. To have a heart of artichoke.
Artichoke.
Yeah.
I think that's the word.
It means that somebody who fall in love often and easily. We call this person, like we say, this person have a heart of artichoke.
Okay, cool. Alright.
You have a heart of artichoke?
Hell yes. I'm a lover.
You fall in love easily?
I'm a lover girl.
Yeah.
And that's the Jamaican expression right off the French expression.
Say the French expression first.
Avoir un cœur d'artichaut. D'artichaut. Okay,
Right.
apostrophe.
Why
Okay.
you say avoir un cœur, like you drop the R and every time? That sounds cute. That's okay. Okay, tell me the Jamaican expression.
Lover.
Lover?
Yes. If somebody
Mr. Lover,
say,
lover.
Right. Mr. Lover, lover.
Mr. Lover.
So me a Miss Lover. I love. Kind of cheeky, but I love. I fall in love easily.
Mr. Lover,
Especially if you're really good. Then I fall. That doesn't sound right.
You fall in love with one person at times.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Sometimes. Anyway, you guys. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. It's been a rough weekend, but I am not mad. And the reason why I'm not mad is because we accomplished everything that we set out to do this weekend. I am so proud of me. I'm just going to get up and show you guys how the kitchen look, the finished product, though it's night. But first, if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any video. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. But first, here's what the kitchen looks like.